But let's keep it with some exclusive news and updates. And a big fundraising plan, we understand, is in the works. ET now is learning from sources that Vodafone Idea is looking to raise close to 25,000 crore rupees. Neha Bothra has the exclusive details. Neha, take us through what exactly are the contours of this fundraise plan.
Indeed, in January this year, Vodafone Idea board had secured approval to raise 25,000 crore rupees. At this point, we are given to understand from our sources this is likely to happen as soon as next month. In fact, we are given to understand in April, Vodafone Idea would be looking to partly garner 25,000 crore rupees via the equity market. This would comprise a 7,000 crore fundraise from institutional investors. In fact, I'm given to understand that there are roadshows that have been conducted in line with this plan. Besides, more importantly, we are also given to understand that the promoter group, that's Vodafone and also Aditya Birla Group, they will be collectively looking to infuse a little over 18,000 crore rupees, possibly via a rights issue. Now, this really is in line with the competition we are seeing in the telecom space. A few weeks back, we heard Bharti Airtel come out with a plan to raise close to 32,000 crore rupees. All this, of course, given the competition we are seeing from Reliance Jio. More so the fact that Reliance Jio also wants to augment and fast-track the rollout of 5G services. Given that many of the incumbents are still struggling to upgrade the 4G network, we are given to understand they do need to build a war chest to keep pace and retain market share in the changing competitive environment in the telecom industry. And this is, of course, in line with that plan. And in April, we are given to understand this could take place.
Thanks a lot for that. But you know, it looks like a very fat capital infusion of 25,000 crore, and the fact that promoters are also chipping in, that also is a clear indication that they want to invest capital in the company. But is this enough, or this is just like a bandit approach? And I think this is just like a bandit approach. Vodafone has to get their debt levels down. Or Vodafone Idea, they have to get their debt levels down. They need to upgrade their infrastructure, and they have now become a weak number 3 player in the Indian telecom sector, even though 2 telecom players have come together. So instead of a 4-player market, it has become a 3-player market. Bharti is still number 1. Reliance is a super or a strong number 2 player, and Vodafone Idea combined have become a weak number 3 player. Is this the consolidation which will bring pricing power back to the sector? Well, in any sector, if there are multiple players and if multiple players they come together, you would say pricing power and consolidation will happen. But in the case of the telecom sector in India, the disruptor is not ready to blink an eye, which is Reliance Jio, and the weak players are only getting weaker. So the idea of Vodafone and Vodafone Idea coming together, I think, was to create an entity with some pricing power, but I don't think that's going to happen.